Hey guys, welcome. Now, I didn't know I was going to be here. Something has shifted with this full moon in Cancer, okay? And we know that there is an activation for the Lunar New Year, year of the Black Water Tiger, February 4th. Guys, this is a massive shift. And it's connected to two readings that will be aired. There's an extension of Mercury retrograde, and it is connected to the Two of Cups, and that's why I'm here today. This is about the Two of Cups. This message is connected to that one, as well as the Three of Cups special. And guys, I feel like I've been talking about it for some time, but that's how this channel works. It's always the messages come out when they're supposed to come out, and I go where I'm called, following intuition, the sixth sense. So let's just get into it. You know what? This has to do with us healing from tyranny, whichever way you want to pronounce it. I want to get some purification happening here, guys. We're having a fire. Oh, it's so nice and warm. Guys, it got chilly here again. So this has to do with this message. And we know that this person here was created as an equal to this person in order to restore the balance with love, with the application of love. This is the tyrant that is now healing with this person here. Because this person here has helped them to help to restore the balance and allow the healing. And that's what we've been working on. There's a completion of this. There's a completion of the Two of Cups being offered here, guys. That's why I'm here today. And it is connected to the Three. This is connected to the Three of Cups. And this completion with the Mother and the Father. This is where we heal from greed. And we are in our abundance. And this has to do with connection and healing with the earth. Through the earth with the mother and the daughter. And this is allowing us to be expressive. And it has to do with a change in our vibration, a change in our elevation. This is taking a dip in order to elevate. And it's connected to our authentic patterning, our authentic frequency, our purpose into fulfillment with the Mother and bouquet. How we are coming together here with love. How love is healing the world. It's the application of love and expression. So let's see how we're expanding here today. We're expanding with the star. And I mean, this image says it all. And you know what? We're going to put these cards back in the Moonology Moon Oracle, or the Moon Oracle. Ooh. And we're just going to speak to La Luna right away here. Now, I saw the moon boat in the sky, and it was spectacular. Guys, check out that moon. It looks like the moon boat floating in the clouds. Let's go outside and check it out. Guys, it looks like the boat. It looks exactly like the boat from the vision. The moon boat. The boat of the moon. This means something, guys. I love you. And the next day, there was a candle, and one flame turned into two flames and then turned back into one. Guys, this means something. This is our connection to the Two of Cups and this other Two of Cups reading. That's this extension of the Mercury retrograde reading. Let's find out what it means. Commitment, it's come. This is what we just got on our full moon in Cancer. Oh. Commitment with our gifts in order to expand. This is working with our gifts. Clairvoyance, clairaudience. Guys, we're getting a reshuffle. There was an interruption. This is what was activated with this full moon. This is how we're healing. Because we're leveling up with our gifts. We are expanding the sixth sense. There's Kali, the black goddess of Sagittarius. When we expand with our truths. The truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. As we come together. There it is, guys. We're coming together. There's the blue moon. This is our connection to Gemini. You know, Athene was still here in channeled messages, but I thought, you know what? I'm just going to put Athene back. We're going to get on the go here. But the white goddess Athene was just sitting here for channeled messages. So this is a connection to coming together with Mercury and Venus. So the planet of communication and the planet of love are coming together. We're in manifestation mode at this altar, okay? Look, we're in manifestation mode at this altar, and all the elements of creation are present. And you know what? Yes, we are feeling the negatives of the world. We're feeling our lack of freedom, allowing us to create our pure, true freedom. The energy of the opposites coming together to create the whole and allow the expansion and to purify what's got to go. You know, to say goodbye to it. It's what, you know what, I don't resonate with this, or this doesn't feel right. You know, it's time to create anew. It's time to say goodbye to this patterning. And it's time to work with our gifts. It's time to work with our truth. It's time to work with our truth and our gifts in order to expand. So we're going to take a fall in order to create our harmony. Now from the time of this activation, because there's something happening between this time of the full moon in Cancer and this new moon in Aquarius, as we enter the time of the Blackwater Tiger and Pisces season and working with Ishtar. So between now and March, confirmation right there from the universe. And there's our connection to the moon being in Cancer. The full moon in Cancer. And the activation of authentic self. We're getting a promotion with the element of air. And it's working with Fortuna, the daughter of Jupiter. There it is. Our connection to our divine inheritance. And the fall. This dip is allowing us to create the raise in vibration, the elevation we need. And we're working with Virgo. We're working through the earth right now in order to have this expansion. This is connected to our 10 of Pentacles and working with Mercury and Virgo in order to do so. So let's see what's being activated here. I'm being called to go here, so I'm going to go where I'm called. We know we received this card on our full moon in Cancer reading and Sagittarius growth. So we know this is about our growth, okay? And we had the eclipse in Sagittarius. And this is about our commitment, Cancer, belonging. And we are belonging here. This has to do with our commitment to belong. It has to do with this. Being able to express our truths with the mother in a healing way as we work with our starseed roots and homes. Okay. All right. Let's see what's being activated here. There, it has to do with Pisces season, guys. Align yourself with love and wisdom. It's our higher purpose. We're working with Ishtar. And what's happening right now is we shapeshift with the moons, going from the full moon in Cancer to the new moon in Aquarius. There's going to be a full moon in between and then the new moon in Pisces. Higher purpose. Align yourself with love and wisdom. A particularly dreamy or philosophical phase is indicated here, and your interest in mysticism and poetry. And that's all on point. This is exactly what this is about. This is connected to. Your interest in mysticism, poetry, romance, the arts, and film will be enriching. However, this phase can also prove distracting or even misleading. So it's important to maintain a realistic approach and sense of purpose. Meditation, yoga, tai chi, mindfulness, and deep breathing techniques will align you more closely with your intuition and your connection to spirit. You are at an impressionable phase, and your introspection and interest in life's mysteries can lead to daydreaming, false hopes, and disappointment. Avoid being misled by unscrupulous people, alcohol, drugs, and illusions. Excessive use of alcohol or drugs can lead to dependency, depression, and foolhardiness. Everything that we're expanding from the devil energies. On the other hand, if you focus on your inner power to manifest your higher self's will, you can pursue a fulfilling path towards your own nirvana. Choose your teachers well if you are on a mystical and spiritual path. Honor both it and yourself. And I really feel like that's because we're healing higher vibe. We may have a tendency to go backwards a little bit with our patterning because we took a dip, but this is where we honor our new patterning in order to make the elevation that much more expansive. Because we are anew. We've created anew. If this card arises when you feel ready for change but cannot make a decision, look within to reconnect with your deeper wishes, to experience a sense of fulfillment. Find ways to move forward with a sense of purpose so that when you do succeed in your endeavors, you will feel accomplished. This also represents service to others. Your task is to find activities, whether paid or unpaid, that are meaningful to you on a deeper level. You want to feel you are contributing to the broader community and are not an insignificant cog in a bigger wheel. This card asks that you connect to spirit and align your efforts in life with love, wisdom, and higher purpose. And this is because the economy of New Earth is not monetarily based. It's based off our purpose. It's based off our truth. It's based off our integrity of creating with the light and expanding there. Guys, we're going here. We're going to get some tarot.